Today's topic is Yahweh. The Israelites were in Egyptian and they came and delivered by Moses and they came to hill area Canaan and Palestine. So today's Israel and Palestine. Originally people come from stay in Israel called Hebrew people, and before that their fathers Abraham was staying in Mesopotamia. It called Canaan, and now you can read in Genesis 12. So there were sacred contact with the God, with Abraham, and he gave him Yahoo, the name, the spelling of Yahoo is YHWH. After that, the Yahoo, the same name given to Moses in burning bush. And he said to Abraham, Moses, don't come near me and take out your shoes. I will give 2 minutes explanation. Why is God doesn't like shoes or something? So when God is there, God is very holy, very omnipotent, very powerful God. So we cannot stand before Him. He said, don't come near to me. So sandal depicted our sinfulness, our worries, our lustfulness, our untruthness, our lookless in prayer, our not trust in the God. Many things come along with. So he said, drop it out, what you have got lacking, and then come to me. That is the very correct explanation to take out your shoes or something. So you come with wholeness, without fear or something. Then Moses asked, what is your name? So he said, I am who I am. So he said, they will not listen to me what your name or something. So he said, you take this stick or staff, wooden stick, and put on the ground, and he put it on the ground, and he become a serpent. It becomes a serpent, and he took by tail, and again it becomes a snake. It become a stick. So with that stick, he went to Ramesses II. The Ramesses was the building his pyramids and city by Israelites. And this radical theory of slavery, he was building his pyramids and all the houses, big houses, by these 4,000 slave women. Night and day they has to work. Brutality will be there. Less wheat means what they want to eat. That is the wheat is the more mostly crop over there. They give very little wheat to eat them. So after God has delivered them, Moses came into Canaan after 40 years he has to spend in the desert. Then Joshua has a military, and he has taken Jericho and Ai. that a city of Ai, it is in Iran now, and Jericho is in Arabia. So that city they have taken, and it is a help of God, not because of their yeah, they got a sword or horses or many ammunition or something, but because of God's help, God were destroyed by hails, and they captured their city. After the history goes on, the David become king, and David has stretched his kingdom Israel to Mesopotamia, and his son Solomon built the temple. He built the temple by forced labor by the poor people, and many surrounding kings, they helped him. They gave this wood, stone, and then bronze, and then this iron, many things they have provided. Even gold, they mostly gold they have provided these people. Then this Yahweh is the name of our Lord, and that is depicted in 1,000 years back. So it is written on all or in plates of stone plates. That is Yahweh. It is written in Hebrew, and Hebrew people are God's very close people, very loving people, because they may went many times astray from God, but they have kept preserved the 5 documents of 5 books, and that is the base of our Bible. That is our foundation, our Bible. That credit goes to Judaism or Jewish people. They are not believing Jesus Christ as a son of God or son, but they believe he is a Messiah. But nowadays many people, many Jewish people are believing in Jesus Christ, and they came to know that Yahweh, same name is Jesus. Mother Mary had given this name by Gabriel angel. He said after 9 months he will give the birth of this Jesus, and he will born, and he will name him Jesus Christ, means Jesus. So this is the name derived from Yahweh to Jesus, and Jesus is J is not he is a silent, but it is like Yesu, or Jehovah also, it is a Yehovah. And the Islamic people have taken this same name as Elohi or something. They say they transfer their name as Allah or something, but it is the name is Elohi, and that Elohi has given the when Jacob asked God, "What is your name?" So he said Elohi means Yahweh. So same name in Yahweh is our God, but Islamic people are mistaken, or God, there is a God's plan. So God want to give them alternative religions to worship them and anyhow come to them, because this Judaism was not allowing to come to Jerusalem church, temple. So many people are having Asra, Baal, many gods are there worshipping, and then they found one God. Muhammad has taken 5 books from our Judaism and built up this Quran. It is, they said it is from God or something. We do support them, but it is a naturally, it is not it is not God, from God, because so many mistakes and so many lackings in Quran, because he has fought many wars, and he married more than 15 girls, and he died, killed in war only. And then this religion, many kings have converted to Islam because it is monolism, so, and they can worship similarly, similarly like Jewish people. They can have circumcision, they can have the cap, and they can have the Abraham's